So a little warm start inbound for you guys that love the exhaust on the truck. Not too bad on the warm starts. What's going on, guys? So today, as you can tell by the title, we're going to be talking about everything I have done to my truck. So I'm going to do this with my truck and the car because I have a ton of people that, they see one video of maybe the exhaust or something and they, what's your wheels and tires? What's your leveling kit? And you could easily go onto the channel, and this, I'm just telling y'all this so future reference. If you see something, go onto the person's YouTube channel. They usually have a playlist. I have a playlist of all the videos on the truck, and then you can see exactly what I have done. But I'm going to make this overall video so I can tag them in this video or whatever, and they can see exactly what I have done. So let's get to naming. So for starters, 2018 Chevy Silverado LT All-Star Edition Z71. Okay, got that. We'll start with the 3-inch MotoFab leveling kit. Alright, it is a spacer, as you see right there. I have a angle kit, angle view as far as all the ball joints, upper control arms, axles. Check it out on the channel if you want to see what the angles are at. Just staying with the suspension, we have the rear block removed, so there's just no factory rear block. It's about an inch drop in the back, so it's got a nice little lean to it. It's what I like. Alright, so we got the Ballistic Rage wheels, 22 by 12, -44. Yes, they are -44. No, they don't stick out a ton because this is not a lifted truck. It's just leveled. When you lift your truck, when you lift your Chevrolet, it sticks out the front 2 extra inches. So that's why they don't stick out half the tire. We got a Turo Trailblade MT 33 1250 22. As you see, they got a little stretch. Turos run a little small, but it's nothing bad. It looks really good to me. Up front, we're basically all stock because I have everything removed to redo everything in white. So that'll be a different video, but yeah. We have 5% tint all the way around on top of factory with a 5% brow. It's perfect. We have rock lights. Let's see if you can see them. I'll put in a little clip right after this of them at night. Let's come back here. We got some, I don't even remember what the taillights are, but I'll put a link to them in the description. They're nice, cool. It's not going to show, but we have LED tag lights, reverse lights, and third brake light. Obviously the truck is debadged. It's very easy to do, does wonders. Then we've got the Herculiner in the bed here. A couple stickers. We got True Duals. Alright, 5-inch shorty tips. As you see, they are 5-inch diameter. I don't know the exact length of them. Have True Duals. No third cat, no muffler, no resonator. It is 2 individual pipes running all the way back. They do not ever connect. That's a big question. People don't seem to understand. They want to see it. It's two individual pipes after the cats. So that's it, y'all. Not too much done. It doesn't take much to make these trucks look really good. So yeah, I don't think I'm leaving anything out. I do have the Range Technology V4 Delete module. I'm also running that. But aside from that, that's it, y'all. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I will try my best to answer them. But other than that, y'all leave a like, subscribe for more. I'll see y'all on the next one.